angle of 45 degrees, which is transparent. It's not a mirror, it's transparent, and the light from the image gets incident on this surface on the acrylic sheet, and then it gets reflected back through the peephole and at an angle of 90 degrees.
So here, since this is transparent, some of the light passes through it and some gets reflected. Since that some light gets reflected, we can see this light as a floating image. So we see a floating image of a candle. It's like a hologram. So it's like a ghost that is appearing at the screen. So yeah.
Okay.